How to change font style in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change the fonts, you can do it in two ways. One in the device itself with very minimal option and the other by downloading a third-party app. Let us first see how to change font in device itself. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Text Size and you will be able to change the text size of the font on your iPhone, and then tap on Bold Text and you will be able to make all the text on your iPhone bold. This is how you can change font style in iPhone itself. In order to change from the app, open App Store and in the search bar, search for fonts and go ahead and download any app from here. Once downloaded, launch the application and open Settings again. Here tap on General and then on Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboards and you will see the option for Add New Keyboard. Tap on that and select the app we previously downloaded. Now open any app with keyboard and select the globe-like icon there and you will be able to change the keyboard. You can see I can now type in fonts that is not available in the iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.